Hi guys, my name is Abdurrahman Mohammed Hussein, and I'm a student in Hacker School. And I joined Hacker School on 4th August 2025, and my course will be ending on January 2026. The course that I took from Hacker School is known as Cybersecurity Professional, and I took this course because I wanted a life hands-on experience, and Hacker School had the best reviews. And the most valuable skill that I learned from Hacker School is understanding the network concepts and also the security concepts. And one thing that I really enjoyed inside Hacker School was, every day we used to do practicals inside the class, and I really enjoyed that one because it made me help gain confidence, and it made me believe in myself that I can do stuff outside the world, when it comes to real life scenarios. And I really want to thank Mr. Naveen and his co-worker Mr. Dixit, two very great people. Mr. Naveen is one of the best teachers I have ever met in my life, and he really knows how to teach very well. He gives good examples, and you can understand him easily. When you talk about Mr. Dixit, he's always there for you. If you need anything, like if you have any issues, if you have like something that you don't understand inside the practical, he will help you. If you send him an email, he responds quickly. To great people, and I really, thank them, and they help us, through this journey, and it's very grateful to have such people. Everybody that I met inside Hacker School was a nice person. When you talk about Mr. Ben, a very great guy, a very calm guy. He approaches people very well, very wonderful guy. And also, if you talk about Mr. Jayant, very great teacher. Anything you ask him, he will, give you the best answers. And very great people I met so far in Hacker School. And I'm really thankful for you guys giving us this opportunity and presenting us these wonderful teachers.